The Love Song of Alfred Prufrock is the first professionally published poem by American born British poet T.S. Eliot. It is in the form of a dramatic monologue, and he started writing it in 1910, and it was first published in June 1915. The rhyme scheme is free verse, and there is no pattern or scheme to speak of, and this mirrors Prufrock's halting, indecisive approach to the world. The poem is strongly influenced by French symbolists like Rimbaud and Baudelaire. Basically, the poem is divided into two parts, and the poem structure was heavily influenced by Eliot's extensive reading of Dante. Epigraph is taken from Dante's Inferno, and yellow fog in the poem symbolizes condition of modern life, which is shaped by technology and industrial production. Prufrock compares himself to Hamlet. Prufrock has become one of the most recognized voices in modern literature, and it is a poem about a man who tries to find out a meaningful relationship. The poem is, we can say, it is a dramatic interior monologue of an urban man stricken with feelings of isolation and incapability for decisive action.